Hey guys, it's Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, we are coming to you live from our brand new Ace Barbecue Pit Studio. Tell you what, we have a lot of awesome content coming your way. Today, we're talking all about shrimp on the Big Green Egg. Very easy prep to do today. We're actually gonna start off by lighting the Big Green Egg first, and then we're gonna use a little bit of shrimp, a little bit of rub-a-dub, finish it with fire honey. But we're gonna grill it nice and hot and fast and keep it tender and juicy. Thanks for cooking with us. All right, we'll go ahead and get the Big Green Egg started. Our cooking temperature today, 450 degrees. So once we have a nice hot ember pile in the middle here, we'll go ahead and adjust the bottom and the top, hold it at 450, and then we are ready to cook some shrimp. We'll do a little bit of our food flyover like we always do. Today, we're cooking with some U15 tiger shrimp. Now, that means under 15 a pound. These guys are beautiful, and we're gonna show you when it comes to prep, how to get that sand vein cleaned out and get these all cut. We're using a little bit of light olive oil today. We're gonna season these guys with our rub-a-dub. We're gonna grill them hot and fast, like I said, but then we're gonna finish them with some fire honey to give it a little bit of sweetness, some lemon to give it a little bit of brightness, and then parsley to make it look pretty. I mean, you know, you wanna look pretty. Then, hey, thermometer, always the most important thing, because today's cooking temperature, we're gonna cook these to a temp of 125 degrees. So we'll use our trusty Maverick, get everything all set and ready to go. Well, one of the things we do when it comes to getting these shrimp all set and ready is we go ahead and split that shell down into the shrimp. There's usually a little brown or orange sand vein, and we want to take that out, make sure that they're all set and cleaned and ready to go. Then carefully peel that shell off, and I'll either save the shells if I'm going to make some beautiful shrimp stock, or you can discard those as well. But now you can see we're all clean and ready to go. So we'll go ahead, come back, get these all seasoned up. We're gonna go ahead and season these, and I always tell you guys, right, as much or as little as you like, as light or as heavy as you prefer. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that light olive oil, get them seasoned. I don't want them to flame up, so I literally just want enough oil to coat. Then a little bit of that rub-a-dub, again, however much you prefer. Now, go ahead and mix these guys up, get a really nice coat on here, but then it also gives me a chance to look at them visually, make sure I have enough seasoning on here, and I actually am gonna add just a touch more. Now, we'll go ahead and cover these guys. I like to let them soak in the refrigerator for just a little bit of time, but we'll go ahead and cover these and put them in the fridge for about an hour or two. We are preheated right at that 450, and you can see we are nice and hot. We let our shrimp go for about an hour in the fridge. Now, I'm gonna steer these guys off on one side. We're gonna go for about 4 to 5 minutes aside. And what we're looking for is making sure that they become nice and opaque. We don't want them to be clear. We want them to get that beautiful orange or that beautiful opaqueness. So, like I said, about 4 to 5 minutes one side. We'll come back here and flip these guys, and I'll show you what it looks like. Time to flip. As you can see, my visual cue. Look at how they're starting to change colors. That's what we're looking for. So we'll go ahead and get these guys flipped. We took 4.5 minutes on the first side to get these set where we're ready to go. Now, keep in mind, like we said, 125 degrees is our cook temperature today. That's going to ensure these shrimp are juicy, delicious, tender, all of that. All right, temperature check. We are at 125, so we'll go ahead and get these off. Now, a couple things you could do. You can baste these with fire honey now. You could baste them with lemon garlic butter, however you want. I'm actually gonna pull these into the kitchen. We'll see you back there when it's time to final plate these and add a little honey. All right, hot off the grill. We cook these guys to about 126 degrees. They smell fantastic. Now, we're gonna plate them up, make them look all fancy for my family, get them all set. Now, like I said, you can drizzle these with fire honey, you can drizzle them with lemon garlic butter. Please pick what you want. But we hit these guys now and got them all set and ready to go with a little bit of fire honey. So we'll do a drizzle quick. Get that all set. I love the honey and the shrimp because it just adds a perfect touch of sweetness. I'm Chef Jason Morris, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Thank you for hanging out with us. Don't forget, you can grab today's videos, recipes, and more by subscribing to our Ace Hardware YouTube channel, because you don't want to miss out on any of this content. And I'll tell you, we've got great content coming for you. Then, like we always say, be sure to leave your questions and comments, because you help guide us along where we are. And you said, I need to learn how to make shrimp on the Big Green Egg, and that's what we did for you today. Then don't forget that eye that comes up. That means this recipe is shoppable. So click that. You can see all the gear, gadgets, grills, barbecue products, and more that we use in our videos. Then coming up at the end of today's video, we have some other amazing Big Green Egg content for you as well. So I'm drooling because I love eating shrimp, and I have to do a little quality control. So I'm going after just a plain, beautiful, juicy, delicious one. Cheers.